Took me some time, I got hope. Took me some time, I got hope. Took me some time, I got hope. Took me some time, I got hope.
Let's get right, cat.
Wait, Afro Drowzy's in your part?
Yeah, we're playing them right now. Look at my
I actually played with Drowzy. Look at my screenshot.
Nigga, it's just Drowzy,
Yeah, I'm
bro.
just
He only has
Drowzy.
like 10k subs, bro. That shit, not 2k is dead. I don't know, niggas so happy over 2k YouTubers, bro. That shit not even nothing.
Ah, you put a junior eye. R.I.P. Killer Beast.
Didn't we drop off Killer yesterday? Yeah, we did. I got next round. Alright, bro, come on, bro. Guard your
Didn't
man,
you get
bro.
carried, Astro?
Watch this. Ready? Ready?
Nigga, you're not doing an LT shit on me. Oh my. Give me that.
He's so.
Bro, come on, bro.
Alright, you guys better win.
Come on, green that.
Wide open, full white.
Green it, bro.
What
I'm
happened?
dead with this game. I'm done with this game. It's a full
D
white
up,
shot.
bro. 0-0. Just D up, bro.
Oh, you go so
Wow, steal.
He full white shot and gave me a full white. It gave me a full white.
Bro,
That was a wide open shot and it gave me full white.
What?
Okay, I'll take it. I'll sold.
Bro, get your
Okay, you're
man.
gonna put me on him.
And then go
Bro, he not icing on that shit, bro. He not, bro. He's running baseline.
Kentucky actually connect now. Yeah.
He gon' LT, bro. This nigga, all he did is spin move. Give me that shit, pussy nigga.
He plays like
Fuck
Hank.
wrong with you, boy. I knew exactly what you gonna do with your sorry ass. Bro, come on, come up here.
Oh, drive.
Oh yeah, go block.
No.
Oh my god, bro. Come over here, bro.
Oh, I didn't live.
Oh, it is already sent. Oh,
Got his ass caught.
Okay. Afro was actually doing
Let's go,
way better than he
Butch.
was last time.
Like, of course, bro. I had to warm up. I told you, bro. Look, this is my first game in like 2 days.
Did you sell again? I was about to say.
Bro, this game is so bad, bro. Oh
Game's
my
trash.
god.
Never mind.
That's what happens when you fucking try
Game's
to
Are you
garbage.
selling?
You fucking spam. All you do is LT Drowzy and spin move in the paint, bro. Stop trying me.
All you gotta do is hold LT in the paint. And
No.
not in the rail.
And he got a lucky. How'd he get his grand
You
badge?
you gotta have defense, bro.
You guys could have
Gotta have
Oh my
defense.
god.
If we wanna win, we gotta have defense.
It made me get a full white on the first play. I'm 0 for 1. Watch this. Ready? This. Not the.
Good job.
He's not gonna miss. Guess his green.
I can't help you either, bro. You gonna have to guard that nigga.
Oh my god.
That's all.
From deep.
You tipped it. That's
Let's
ours.
go.
Let's go. Get your little fake
He's
ass
gonna
Mountain
reach
Dew,
on me.
boy. You're trying to tip my
He's
shit.
gonna reach on me like so
Me,
much.
nigga. Fuck
I'm gonna have to
wrong
go
with
to the corner.
Come on, coach.
He
Come on,
almost
coach.
snapped of you though.
Green up.
Full white.
Oh my
Okay.
god. Don't sell my shit. Come on.
Why is
Green up,
that full
coach.
white? It's a full
Watch
white.
the
for
BB.
some
Watch the
reason.
BB. No.
You know, Drowzy just three.
Oh, you almost sold. That's green. Let's go.
Green light.
Let's go, boys. Screen up, coach.
Oh my god.
Don't do the BB thing again. You had the
No,
BB.
get open. They're spamming, bro. They're spamming.
Green light.
No.
That's in. Let's go.
I didn't even mean to shoot that. I didn't even mean to shoot that shit. What the fucking jump shot do I have on, bro?
What
I got
happened?
I got my pro. Bro, you gotta move around, bro. You
Oh.
gotta move around. You too close to
maybe.
me. I got you. Let's go.
Here we go.
Something like, coach. Let's go. Watch the BB.
Oh
Hold
my.
on. Dude, don't pass so. Oh
Put it up,
my
put it up.
God. Bro, you low-key almost
Let's
selling
go.
me, bro. You gotta wait. You gotta wait till I'm open.
Pulling.
Green up, coach.
Green light.
Let's go. Don't pass. I'm not gonna BB, bro. Bro, get open. Pay. Let's go.
Hey, let's get it. Got my grand badge.
GG, coach.
No. He's gonna be reached the whole
Wait
time.
for the BB. Wait. Got him, coach. Got him, coach.
Let's go. All I need is a
Insane, the
3.
best center,
I'm gonna go to the corner.
Alright, let's go.
What you doing?
Nigga, you not moving, coach.
He
I got you. I got
TND,
big body.
but-
Paint.
What?
Bro, you so slow, bro.
No.
Bro, what are you doing, bro? Oh my
He's
god.
right behind you.
Why'd you
Gave me
pump
that,
fake?
Well, was right behind you.
Why'd you
He's at
pump
squad
fake?
I'm
right
there,
now.
nigga.
He sold.
Oh my bro. This game is so bad, bro. These niggas are trash. How is this nigga even a Mount Dew winner, bro?
What? You got a block in it? Oh wow.
Oh my bro.
Oh my
we just
God.
needed one. You could have even shot it. I could have got the rebound. Oh my fucking rap. Dia, bro. Come on, one stop. He gonna sell.
You got lost. We have 1,000,000 people in here. You got
Holy
lost.
crap! I gotta get up for this. Hold on. I should have just shot the 3. I knew it too.
Let's go.
You
Let's
got
go!
lost. Oh.
Hell no, Drowzy. You ain't doing. No, get him, bro. Watch the screen. Get him. Stay on him. I got Drowzy. Oh no!
What are you doing?
No, bro.
Savage.
Get your man, bro. Oh my god.
What? You guys see that? He was guarding. I was guarding Drowzy
Oh,
perfectly, and he
you're
just goes to
pro,
Drowzy.
bro.
Yeah, that's your fault. Yeah,
No,
that's-
nigga. He wasn't gonna get the rebound.
Why'd you
He
go
was
to
not gonna get
Drowzy?
the rebound.
Mm-mm-mm.
Oh my
Don't-
god,
don't
bro.
make
You
me
still
I
lose
should
my
have
sold,
shot the corner. I knew I should have
bro.
shot the corner.
don't know why you
Drowzy couldn't guard
sold.
me. Oh, okay.
You
all
should
right,
have just shot, bro. I don't know why you didn't shoot. I don't know what you were thinking bounce passing that shit. That shit sold.
I knew I should have shot too.
You had so much space
Drowzy
too. You
can't
low-key
guard.
would have greened that shit. Oh my.
We can play him again.
Alright, let's get
Nah.
No, stop being a come around.
This shit is so dead, bro. Get it sold, bro. Y'all see that shit, bro.
That was close.
V Bounty Team B.
We would have won, bro.
That's
Like, these
close.
niggas aren't even good, bro. On my mama, these niggas aren't even good, bro.